So far this season the rains have been below average, but now for the last 3 days it's been raining, and it's been at it all night, every night, and only in the day does it rest up a little, and then in the late afternoons it's back raining again, just when the dogs were hoping to go hunting. The dogs really don't like the rain, and trying to find cover wherever they can. Not that this bush they're under is giving them much, but the whole pack of 11 dogs are all crowded under that little bush. And it seems to be the harder it rains, the more chirpy the birds get. And I feel very much like the dogs, getting soaked in it all, and the only thing that remains dry is my camera. The dogs keep moving around, being really restless, trying to find a better spot, but they really can't hide from the rain. The only good thing that the dogs get out of the rain is a really clean coat, and they always look so immaculate after a downpour like this.